Hello, my dearest students. Welcome to the discussion of JEE Advanced Paper 2, which held on this Sunday. Okay, we will move on straight away. We will move on to the questions now. On to the first question. Look, f is a function from 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity. Differentiable, and this is f of 1 is equal to f of 1 is 1 by 3, and this is what the part which is given. Let e denote the base of the logarithm, fine, then f of e. So we have to find out f of e. What do? It is differentiating both sides. Why do we differentiate? You know, because this is 3 times f of x equal to, which rule will you apply? Product rule. X into f dash x plus f of x into 1 minus x square. So this is a differential equation now. So I write, what is that? Y is equal to f of x always. That's our notation. Therefore, 3y equal to x into dy by dx plus y minus x square. Now, what do? We transfer this to this side. So, it will become 0 or plus x square. X square equal to, transfer this, x into dy by dx minus 2y. Right? This is a linear differential equation. Divide throughout by. So, dy by dx minus 2 by x into y is equal to x. That's the linear differential equation. Correct? Now, we will solve. What's that? What's the formula? First, integrating factor. Let me write the integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal to e to the power integral minus 2 by x dx. You know it is e to the power minus 2 log x. That means 1 by x square. Therefore, this will become y into integrating factor 1 by x square equal to integral of, what is this there then? 1 by x square into x, that is 1 by x dx. Okay. Y into integrating factor, this. So what is this? This will become y divided by x square is equal to logarithm of x plus another constant. I say log c, I take it as log cx. Now, your y will be equal to x square into logarithm of cx. C is a constant. Remember, log x plus c, that c we take it as log c, log a plus log b. Therefore, this is our f of x. What are we given? F of 1 is equal to 1 by 3. We are given f of 1 is equal to 1 by 3. Is it? F of 1 is equal to 1 by 3. Correct. What's the meaning of it? Y is equal to 1 by 3 when x is equal to 1. So, we substitute 1 by 3 is equal to, this will become x is equal to 1 logarithm of c. That means your c will be e raised to 1 by 3. C is e raised to 1 by 3. C is e raised to 1 by 3. Now we can substitute. Let me write this to this side. Okay. This will be, now we substitute now. What's our y? Or your f of x is equal to x square into logarithm of e raised to 1 by 3. E raised to 1 by 3. That's our c into x. Agreed? What do you want? F of e. F of e is equal to e square into logarithm of e raised to 4 by 3. How come e raised to 4 by 3? E raised to 1 by 3 into e. That means, what is log of e raised to 4 by 3? 4 by 3. So, 4 by 3 e square is the answer. 4 by 3 e square. C is your answer. We will move on to the next question then. Consider an experiment of tossing a coin repeatedly until the outcomes of 2 consecutive tosses are same. Until the outcomes of 2 consecutive tosses are same. That's the point. Probability of head is 1 by 3. Okay, that's an unbiased coin. This biased coin. then the probability that the experiment stops with the head means continuous two heads. So required probability will be equal to. So what all things we know? Probability of head is equal to 1 by 3. Probability of tail is equal to 2 by 3. Look at this. This is a beautiful question. Right. So probability means first I say probability of head and head. The experiment is stopped. Or suppose probability of tail, then head and head. That means 2 tosses, 3 tosses. Next is what? Probability of head, tail, head and head. 4, 2, 3, 4. You can try with the T also. T, H. Then one more H, that is this only. So plus. Now look, have you noticed? H, T, H, then begin with what they are T. T, H, T, H, H. See, 4, then 5. Next will be what they are. Probability of H, T, H, T, H, H. Like up to infinity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know. Probability of head is 1 by 3. Head and head is what there? 1 by 9. Plus, this is, what is this one there? 2 by 3 into. So, 2 divided by 3 cube. This is actually 3 square. Let me write that as 3 square. Plus, this will become what there? Again, 2 divided by 3 raised to 4 plus. This will become 2 into 2, that is 4 divided by, or 2 square. You can write 2 square divided by 3 raised to 5. Plus there also 2, that is also 4 divided by 3 raised to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. 2 times. Now you take this 3 square, okay. Then 3 raised to 4. Then this next will become what there then? 8. 8 divided by 3 raised to 6 plus 8 divided by, this is 3 raised to 4. This is 3 raised to 4, this is 3 raised to 6. So it will become 3 raised to 7. This will become 3 raised to 8. Like that, it goes there then. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 only. That is. Now this 3 raised to 4, then 3 raised to 8, etc. And the rest odd also. So 2 series you get. This is equal to 1 by 3 square plus 2 by 3 raised to 4 plus 4 divided by 3 raised to 6, etc. up to infinity, plus there is another series, that is 2 divided by 3 cube, okay, plus next will become 8 divided by, 4. 4 divided by 3 raised to 5 plus 8 divided by 3 raised to 7, unmarked one. This is also marked there. We have marked this. 3 raised to 7, etc. up to infinity. To infinite GP, you know the sum is equal to what there? A by 1 minus R. You can calculate 1 by 9 divided by 1 minus, what is this? 2 divided by 9 plus. Here means 2 by 27 A, first one. And 2 by 3 square means 1 minus 2 by 9. This will become what there then? 1 by 7 plus. This will become 9 minus, that is 7. So this will become 1 minus 2 by 9 is 7 by 9. 7 by 9 will go up there then. Okay. That is 2 divided by 27 into, this will become 7 by 9. 9 divided by 7. Okay. This will be 3. It is 2 divided by 21. So this is 3 by 5 divided by 21. Calculation that you have to. 5 divided by 21, B is your answer. Right? On to the next question. So that is question number 3. Well, it is cot inverse y, you know, sum of all the solutions of the equation, tan inverse find. Okay, have you seen? Look at this condition. Condition is 0 less than modulus of y less than 3. What is the meaning of it? It is minus 3 less than y less than 3 except 0. Except 0. Now what we have to do, this is tan inverse plus cot inverse. You know the formula, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is pi by 2 only if x is greater than 0. That means here I write tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2 if x is greater than 0. X is greater than 0. Okay. And tan inverse x will be equal to, tan inverse x will be equal to cot inverse x minus pi if x is less than 0. Cot inverse 1 by x. Tan inverse x is equal to cot inverse 1 by x minus pi, or you can say cot inverse of 1 by x is equal to pi plus tan inverse of x if x is greater than, x is less than 0, negative, x is less than 0. That's a property. So first of all, let me take this. What is this? It is cot inverse of x. So our formula, here I write cot inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of cot inverse or tan inverse of what there then 1 by x if x is greater than 0. But tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to what there then? Pi by 2. That formula we can apply to s whenever x is greater than 0. Now let us see. What is this 6y or 9 minus y square divided by 6y is greater than 0. You can easily do. We draw a number line. Fine. The roots are critical points are this is minus 3, this is 0, this is 3. Fine. So we take a number minus 3 to plus 3 only you need to check. So take a number say minus 1. Minus 1 when I substitute it is 9 and positive by. So in this part it is negative and 0 to say I say 1. 1 means this is positive by positive, this is positive. Therefore, our 9 minus y square by 6y will be positive whenever. So I can write this is tan inverse of 6y divided by 9 minus y square plus tan inverse of 6y by 9 minus y square. Cot inverse x is tan inverse 1 by x is equal to 2 pi by 3 if what 0 less than y less than 3. That's a condition. So this is 2 times 1 2 we cancel. Therefore tan inverse of 6y divided by 9 minus y square 6y equal to pi by 3, or we get 6y divided by 9 minus y square is equal to tan of pi by 3, that's equal to root 3. So you get a quadratic equation. You get a quadratic equation. What? Root 3. That is 6y, or we can cancel 1 root 3. I think that would be better. This is 1 and this is 2 root 3. Okay. So this will become, we have 2 root 3y. 2 root 3y. 2 root 3y equal to 9 minus y square. Rather y square plus 2 root 3y minus 9 equal to 0. Please solve for this y. Y is equal to minus b minus 2 root 3 plus or minus root of b square. B square means 12 plus what there then 36 divided by 2. Isn't it? That is root 3 we have cancelled and we have minus 2 root 3. We will be getting minus 2 root 3 plus or minus this one. Okay. That's correct. This is minus 2 root 3 plus or minus 48. Alright, 48 means what there then? 48, 16, 3. That means 4 root 3 divided by 2. You say minus root 3 plus or minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. 2 is cancelled. 2 is cancelled. Minus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Root 3. Minus root 3 minus 3 root 3. You know, your y is from 0 to 3. It should be positive. So this is inadmissible. So your y is equal to root 3. In this case, y is equal to root 3. What do you want? Then the sum of all the solutions of the equation. This is one solution. This is equation number 1. Similarly, you must have to apply the second part. The second part means, I just give you, what is that? This will become tan inverse, I'll write. The equation will be what there? Tan inverse of 6y by 9 minus y square plus, what do we take? This is minus 3 less than y less than 0. So y is it? Second case. This is case 1. Case 1, that is a case I have taken if 0 less than. Here also minus 3. What will be this one? it will be what there then pi plus tan inverse of the reciprocal. Pi plus tan inverse of 6y divided by 9 minus y square equal to 2 pi by 3. Well, so this will become 2 times, we take this. So it will be 2 times tan inverse of 6y divided by 9 minus y square equal to 2 pi by 3 minus pi, that is called what there then pi by 3, 3 pi. Okay. Therefore, this 2 is cancelled, it will become 6, and 6y divided by 9 minus y square is equal to tan of pi by 6. Tan of pi by 6 is 1 by root 3. Clear? So, it will become 6 root 3y equal to 9 minus y square. Similarly, make it as a quadratic equation and solve. You will get this as y is equal to 3 root 3 plus or minus 6. That is y is equal to 3 root 3. Like, should I write the quadratic equation? Y square plus 6 root 3y plus 9 equal to 0. Please solve by using quadratic formula. 3 root 3 plus or minus 6 you will be getting. Okay. Therefore, remember 0 minus 3 less than. What's the condition we have? Minus 3 less than y less than 0. Y should be negative. You know, 3 root 3 plus root 6 is positive. Therefore, y should be equal to 3 root 3 minus 6. Okay, 3 into 1.7 minus 6. This is negative because it is negative. Well, this is the solution. Therefore, sum of solution, you want sum of solutions, means root 3 plus 3 root 3 minus 6. That's the sum of the solutions you have. That means 4 root 3 minus 6. That's your answer. 4 root 3 minus 6. Both. Okay. 4 root 3 minus 6 you have. That is C is your option. That is, this is your answer. Well, we will move on to the next question. That is a vector question there. If let the position vectors PQR are so and so, fine. C is there, D is there, or A, B, C, D, all right there. Then the statements means it is. Which one is? First of all, how do you solve this question? Let me say, when you have P, Q, R, S as 4 points, if they are coplanar, then box product of PQ, PR, PS must be 0 for coplanar. For coplanar. So first I'll check this one. The points are not coplanar. I must have to find out PQ. What do I do is this. I just write the first point. This is 1, 2, minus 5. Here also I write 1, 2, minus 5 below the second. Here also I will write 1, 2, minus 5. Then you subtract. Means 3 minus 1. That is, this is determinant. 3 minus 1, 2. 6 minus 2, 4. Then 3 minus 5, 8. Then we write 17 by 5 minus 1. You please check that my calculation. 17 by 5 minus 17 minus 5. That means 12 by 5. Okay. 16 by 5 minus 2. That is 6 by 5. 16 minus 10 by 5. Okay. Next will become 7 minus minus. So that is 12. Okay. This is really your PQ, PR, PS. Direction we don't mind. And here also 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. Then 1 minus that is 6. You calculate, your answer is going to be 0. Therefore, P comma Q comma R comma S are what they are coplanar. Coplanar. Okay. Therefore, this is wrong. The points P, Q, R, S are coplanar. You understood the method which I told? You write the first point or the simplest point below the 3. Subtract. That is called the vector PQ. You know the formula. Vector PQ is OQ minus OP. Vector PR means OR minus OP. That's what I do in the question paper itself. Then this is Now we will say that b plus 2d by 3 is the position vector of the point which divides, because they are coplanar, therefore definitely they will be intersecting. These lines will be intersecting. Internally in the ratio 5:4. We have to check all the options there then. Once we get it, it's okay. That is b plus 2d. Fine. PR. Fine. PR. We will draw. This is our PR. There is another line. It's not necessary to draw. Anyway, this is P. P means, you know, what is the point P? 1, 2, minus 5. 1, 2, minus 5. This is R. R means the third point. What's the third point? A, B, C. That is 17 by 5, 16 by 5, 17 by 5, 16 by 5, comma. The next one is 7. It is 7. It internally divides internally, that is 5:4. All right. So I have selected this because 5 into this. So what is the internal formula? This point. This is the point. This point, I say it may be some A. Therefore, your OA will be equal to 5 into 17 by 5 means that is 17 plus 4 into 1, that is 4i, plus 5 into 16 by 5, 16, plus 4 into 2, 8, that much j, plus 5 into 7, 35, minus 4 into 5, that is 20, that much k, divided by what they are then? 9. 5 plus 4, 9. You know, section formula, geometry as well as vector geometry. So this will be equal to 21i plus 24j minus 15k divided by what there? 9. We can cancel 1, 3. It will become 7i plus 8j minus 5k divided by 3. Is it b plus 2d by 3? We will find that also here. We will find it. Now, what is b plus 2d divided by 3? Tell me. Now, b plus 2d divided by 3. What's our vector b? Vector b means that is 3i plus 6j plus 3k. 3i plus 6j plus 3k. Plus 2 times d. 2 times d means last vector. 4, 1, 4, 2, 2. 4i plus 2j plus 2k divided by 3. That is your b plus 2d by 3 from the question. So 3i plus 4i, 7i. Plus 6i plus 2j, 8j. 3k plus 2k, that will be what there then? 5k. Whole divided by 3. Look at this. Is it 3k? This is minus 5. Your b plus d. b plus d is what then? 3 plus 6. b plus 2d. 2d is 4i. Okay, b plus 2d. This will become what there? 7i plus 8j. 4 into b plus 2d. You have b plus 2d. 2i plus this. Fine. Actually, this is 5:4. This ratio also is correct. 35. No, actually 35 minus 20 is plus. This is plus. That's why you have to check that. This is plus 15. This is plus 5. Absolutely right. This is 7i plus 8j plus this. This is 35 minus 20. That is plus 15. Correct. You look. This is equal to what they are then? OA. Therefore, this is correct. b plus 2d by 3. Understood? So, both there. So, no need of checking the other one. We will move on to the next question. This is M is a matrix. You please read. Aij, where I is the one, 3 by 3 matrix. And this is the condition given. Let me calculate this M. M is equal to matrix. What is that? A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now, what is the value of these elements? j plus 1, it is equal to 1 if j plus 1 is divisible by I. J means second. Second plus 1 is divisible by first. Then it is 1. Otherwise, it is 0. Look, second plus 1, these are all 1. First one is 1. Therefore, definitely this will be 1, 1, 1. Because 1 plus 1 is divisible by 1, 2 plus 1 is divisible by 1, like. Second plus 1 should be divisible by this. That is what there then? 2 by 2. So, it is 1. Second plus 1, 3 by 2, no, 0. 4 by 2, yes, 1. Here, 2 by 3, 0. 3 by 3, yes, 1. 4 by 3, that means 0. That is your M. Now, see, 2 zeros are there. Therefore, this implies determinant M is equal to 1 into 1 minus 1. 1 into 1 minus 1, that is 0. Therefore, determinant M is 0. Means M is singular. M is singular. M is singular means M is invertible. Wrong. M is not invertible. Now, there exists a non-zero number. There exists, this is more than one correct answer. Therefore, there exists a non-zero column matrix. Fine. Such that M into, M you should tell me, such that M is equal to, good. Well, M is, it is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 into A1, A2, A1, A2, A3 equal to minus A1, minus A2, minus A3. There exists a non-zero column matrix such that non-zero column matrix only means all the 3 should not be 0. Some of them can be 0, no problem. Let's open the bracket. This will become A1 plus A2 plus A3. Bracket, no, multiplication of the matrices. Not bracket, multiplication of the matrices. A1 plus A2 plus A3 equal to minus A1, fine. Then, next is what? Plus A1, 0 A2 plus A3 equal to minus A2. And the last is what there is 0, 1, 0. Look at this. 0, 1, 0. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Open 0 and it is A2 equal to minus A3. Okay. 0 into A1 plus 1 into A2 plus 0 into A3. So what do you get? You get A2 plus A3 is 0. A2 plus A3 is 0. Agreed. Now, A2 plus A3 is 0 from the first, this is equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. From this, you have A1 plus 0 equal to minus A1. That means your A1 is equal to 0. And look, your A1 is equal to 0. Your equation 2 will also imply A2 plus A3 equal to 0. Fine. A2 plus A3 is equal to 0. There are infinitely many non-zero numbers. Suppose A2 is equal to 2, A3 will be minus 2. A1 is 0. Therefore, your column matrix is 0, 2, minus 2. So, there exists a non-zero. Yes, correct. There exists. Ready? The next, the set of this M into X is equal to 0. That's a matrix equation which is not at all a null matrix. That is not 0 there then. Okay, M into X. X we say X, Y, Z. Why can't we take X, Y, Z or X1, X2, X3, whatever you like. Here M you should tell me. Okay, or I'll. So, option C, we go for option C. Option C, that is M into X is equal to a null matrix means 1, 1, 1, then 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 into, let me take X, Y, Z, usually we do. That is equal to what there then? Null matrix, 0, 0, 0. That means this is a homogeneous system. Does it have a non-zero solution? That's why not equal to 0 where? The set X. Okay. This means what there then? Like exactly same. X plus Y plus Z equal to 0. Next is what? X plus Z equal to 0. Next will become what there? Y equal to 0. When Y equal to 0, see, y equal to 0, the first equation implies x plus z equal to 0. That is, the second equation is also x plus z equal to 0. That means, okay, there are infinitely many such x, as I told you in the previous one. So there is definitely this C also. That's the answer. Then the other one, you know, you have to find out matrix invertible. Invertible means you have to check whether this is what they are then determinant. You have to prove that determine m minus 2i. What is m minus 2i? Your m is what they are then? 1, 1, 1. I do calculate m minus 2i, that you can easily do that. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Minus 2i means plus minus 2, 0, 0, 0 minus 2, 0, 0, 0 minus 2. Okay. This is called m minus 2i matrix. And this will be equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1, 1. This will become 1, then minus 2, then 1, then 0, 1, minus 2. So what's the determinant? Therefore, determinant of m minus 2i, this comes out to be 0. Or you can add or subtract like that. Anyway, this is equal to 0 into, that is 0. Then minus 1 into, minus 1 into, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Then minus 2 into, 2 minus 1, minus 2 into 2 minus 1. Look at this. This will become what they are then? Minus 2, that 2, and this is minus 2, that is 0. Therefore, determinant of m minus 2i is 0. It's not invertible. So, this is not the answer. Okay. Good. On to the next question we have. Question number 6. Look, this is the function we have. There, the function is discontinuous exactly at one point. There is exactly one point at which, so we have to find out the function first there. Okay. Let me take question, you know, that's the question. Let's write that function. What's your f of x? Your f of x is integral part of 4x into x minus 1 by 4 the whole square into x minus 1 by 2. X minus 1 by 2. Integral part of 4x into x minus 1 by 4 the whole square into x minus 1 by 2. Fine. Now, these are polynomial. This is a greatest integer function there. All right. Where should we? What are the critical points for this? That means 4x is equal to 0, 4x is equal to 1, 4x is equal to 2, 4x is equal to 3, 4x is equal to 4. Remember the question, the domain is from 0 to 1. Therefore, you have x equal to 0, all right, open bracket, 4x equal to 4, 1, open bracket, x is equal to 1 by 4. So, we have x equal to 1 by 4, x equal to 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2, 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2, and x is equal to 3 by 4. Look at this. That are the critical points we have. Now, how do we do this one? Very quickly we will do. All right. We draw a number line as we do. We will represent them. What are the points? This is 1 by 4. This is 1 by 2. This is 3 by 4. And definitely 1 open, 0 also open. Now, well, you should tell me this one. It is between 0 and 1 by 4. 0 and 1 by 4, this 4x will be a fraction. So, this is 0 into, this function will be 0. Should I write? Oh, f of x will be equal to, you can write 0 if 0 less than x less than 1. I don't take this equal to sign all, just you can put it wherever you want. So, it is 0. Ready? Then 1 by 4 to 1 by 2. 1 by 4 to 1 by 2 means 4x will lie between 1 to 2. Therefore, this will become 1. 1 into x minus 1 by 4 the whole square into x minus 1 by 2. When 1 by 4 less than x less than 1 by 2. Again I say I don't include this 1 by 4. You can include wherever you want. Okay. Then afterwards Then next is what there, 1 by 2 to 3 by 4. This is okay, this is okay. 1 by 2 to 3 by 4 means 4x will be 4 by 2 to 3, 4 into 3 by 4, 2 to 3. So this integral part will be 2 and this will be x minus 1 by 4 as it is the whole square into x minus 1 by 2 when 1 by 2 less than x less than 3 by 4. Well, now 3 by 4 means 4 into 4x, 3 by 4, 3 to 4. So it will become 3 into x minus 1 by 4 the whole square into x minus 1 by 2 when 3 by 4 less than x, okay, 3 by 4, sorry. 3 into x by 4, 3 by 4 less than x less than 1. So I write this is 0. This is x minus 1 by 4 between, look at this between, x minus 1 by 4 the whole square into x minus 1 by 2. The next 2 into x minus 1 by 4 the whole square into x minus 1 by 2. And this will be 3 into x minus 1 by 4 the whole square into x minus 1 by 2. Well, you can easily find that out. Now, what's the left limit? Look at this. Left limit, this is the left limit, 0. What's the right limit at this one? 1 by 4 we substitute, 0. What's the left limit? 1 by 2 we substitute. Left limit is equal to 0. 1 by 2 we substitute. Oh, right limit is equal to 0 at x equal to half. What's the left limit at x equal to 3 by 4? 3 by 4 we substitute. What's the left limit? Left limit become 2 into 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. You should calculate 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4. 3 by 4 minus what there then? 1 by, that is 1 by 4. That is 2 into, and actually 2 into this number, 3 into this number. So this is not equal to right limit. 3 by 4 when you substitute, whatsoever be this bracket, that bracket into 2 is the left, that bracket, this is 1 by 16 into 2, that is 2 divided by 16. This will become 3 divided by 16. So it's not continuous. The function f is discontinuous exactly 1 point. Correct. That's right. One answer. There is exactly 1 point in 0 to 1 at which the function is continuous but not differentiable. So there is at least, function is continuous. There is at least 1 point, alright, continuous. That we have to check. Exactly 1 point at which the function is continuous but not differentiable. Differentiability you know. How do we check easily? Take the derivative, substitute. I repeat, take the derivative, substitute. What's the derivative? What's the left derivative here? That is 0. What's the right derivative? So you have to differentiate this 2 into x minus 1 by 4 into x minus half plus x minus 1 by 4 the whole square into 1. Product rule. Derivative of the first 2 into x minus 1 by 4 into derivative of what the x minus 1 by 4. You substitute 1 by 4. Alright. Right derivative is also 0. Let me change the color. So left derivative 0, right derivative also 0 because 1 by 4 we substitute. Therefore, it is differentiable. It is differentiable. Correct. So there is exactly 1 point in 0 to 1 at which the function is continuous and not differentiable. Well, it is this is continuous as well as it is continuous as well as differentiable at x is equal to 1 by 4. Alright. So the function f is not differentiable at more than 3 points. That is definitely only 1, 2, 3, more than 3 points is wrong. The minimum value that will. So there is exactly 1 point at which the function is continuous but not differentiable. It's actually this is okay. And here also we have to find it out. That means here again the derivative, it will become 2 into same. So it will become 4. This derivative will become 4. Okay. Derivative of 0, derivative of this, derivative of this. 2 into 2. This exactly same. This is x minus 1 by 4 into x minus 1 by 2. Look, when I substitute this x minus 1 by 2 plus what is also there, x minus 1 by 4 the whole square. Actually 2 into 2, correct, whole square. When I substitute left derivative of this one, this is 0, this is what there then? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 the whole square. That's a left derivative at 2. What's the right derivative? When I substitute this is 0, that will be what there then? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 the whole square. This is also differentiable. Therefore, there are exactly one point at which the function is continuous but not differentiable. Differentiable, it is continuous but not differentiable. It is discontinuous at one point, only one point at which the function is not differentiable. That is the meaning of it. Okay. There is exactly one point as the function is continuous but not differentiable. Actually, this is, here it is not continuous. At 3 by 4, it is not discontinuous at one point. Well, at this point also, since it is not continuous, it is not differentiable. Okay. So, actually, there is exactly one point at which the function continuous but not differentiable. Here means left derivative, you have to find it out. It should be continuous. What's the left derivative of this function? 2 into, this is 2 into, this is 4 into. Okay. 2 times. No, actually, this will be 4 into bracket. No, it is 2 into, this is okay 4, this is also 2. Therefore, this is 2. Got it? 2 into this derivative, 2 times, upper 4i into this, plus this into, this 2 into this into derivative. So, it will become 2. So, here is the right derivative. Right derivative is 2 times this. So, left derivative not equal to right derivative. Where? This is not continuous, not differentiable. So, what's the conclusion we have? Conclusion 1. It is continuous and differentiable at x is equal to 0. Point number 1. At x is equal to 1 by 4. At x is equal to 1 by 4. Continuous as well as differentiable. Number 2, continuous at x is equal to half, but and not differentiable at x is equal to 1 by 2. Fine. Okay. Number 3, it is not continuous and differentiable at x is equal to 3 by 4. So, it is first option is correct, second option is also, what's the second option? There is only one point. Which is that point? That point is what there then? X is equal to half. This point is x is equal to half. Okay, that's also correct. Function is not continuous, we already said that it is not correct. Then the minimum value of the function. Can you find out the minimum value of the function? Minimum value of the function, look. This function, actually this is 0. Let me take this one. It is 0. The function's graph will be this x-axis. Then 1 by 4 to 1 by 2. 1 by 4, this is the function. Top you see, this is 0, this is a function, graph. 1 by 4 to 1 by 2, this is what there then 1 by 2 minus whatsoever be, and this will be negative. Therefore, this graph will go down. This graph will go down. Let me write, this is the 0, then the graph will go down. Okay. And then half means when we substitute half to 3 by 4, this is what there then a positive. This is half to 3 by 4, positive, perfect square is positive. And then 3 by 4 also, this is positive. Therefore, this graph will be like this. Definitely, it will have a minimum between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. The value of the function, y coordinate will be 0 from 0 to 1 by 4. Then 1 by 4 to y coordinate will be negative, it will go down. And 1 by 2 it is 0, then it goes up. So, minimum will be somewhere here, minimum. So, minimum of the function, minimum will be between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Minimum will be between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Alright, sorry. This is, okay. Now, you have to find out the minimum value of this one. All of you know how to find out the minimum value of that function. What's the function there? X minus 1 by 4. So, your f of x is equal to x minus 1 by 4 the whole square into x minus 1 by 2, where between what and what? 1 by 4 less than x less than 1 by 2. F dash x already I have calculated. F dash x, tell me, f dash x is equal to 2 into x minus 1 by 4 into x minus 1 by 2 plus x minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2. So, x minus 1 by 4 the whole square into 1. Correct? X minus. That is equal to 0 for both maxima and minima. It will be 0 where then? This is x minus 1 by 4 we take this part. X minus 1 by 4 0. This is out. And 2 into 2x minus 1 plus x minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. 3x. This is 2x plus minus 5 by 4 equal to 0. X minus. This is 1x minus 4 we take out, that's why 2x minus 1 plus x minus 1 by 4. So, 3x is equal to 5 by 4, x is equal to 5 by 12. Okay. And it has got only minimum there, x equal to 5. You need not find out what their second order derivative, no need at all. Now, please calculate what is f of 5 by 12. F of 5 by 12 means 5 by 12 minus 1 by 4 the whole square into 5 by 12 minus 1 by 2, which is not equal to this. It is calculated. So, f of 5 by 12 will be equal to minus 1 by 432. And this is minus 1 by 432. Hence, the fourth option is also wrong. Okay. All the four options I have checked. Continuity, differentiability. Well, we move on to next. Let S be the set of twice differentiable function, okay, that means, alright, this is the question. So, f is twice differentiable means f double dash, point number 1, f double dash of x is greater than 0. If the second order derivative is greater than 0 means, what there? It is concave function or convex down, we say. Anyway, in this and f, what is this? X of be the number of points in minus 1 to 1, fine, for fx is equal to x. Number of points where fx is equal to x means the equation fx minus x has got roots. So, that is xf means number of roots of f of x minus x equal to 0 in that domain minus 1 to 1. Okay. Now, let g of x is equal to f of x minus x. Therefore, g dash x is equal to what there? F dash x minus 1. Therefore, g double dash x is what there? F double dash x. Therefore, it is greater than 0. G double dash x is greater than 0 means what there then? Your g double dash x is greater than 0. That means g of x has got a minimum type, means it is concave. That means g of x is concave. Concave means like this graph. Correct? I do not know what shape. We will do. Possibility number 1. The graph will be, this is from minus 1 to plus 1. Minus 1 plus. Concave means it will be like this. Can be. It's increasing. Concave. Or even decreasing like that also. It should be concave only there then. Definitely there is 1. That's why there exists a function xj function f in x, xf is equal to what there then? 0. There is no point in this. There is no point. X's function is such that xf is equal to 0. What is xf given? Xf is given as xf with the number of points at which fx minus. So, fx is equal to x. There exists a function f belongs to s such that number of roots, number of functions which satisfies. Okay, that's correct, absolutely right, because this is the graph. Then, what is the other part of the graph? It can be a graph like this. This is concave only, minus 1 to plus 1. Every function f belongs to s, x of is less than or equal to 2. Alright, fx, x of means what is meant by f? This f of x is equal to g. G should have fx. Once again you see, x of be the number of points where fx minus x is satisfied. Fx is equal to x is satisfied. Correct. So, function fx is equal to x, there will be less than or equal to 2. Correct. Then, there exists a function f such that this is the function. Now, there is one more case. It can be, this is minus 1, this is also plus 1. Then the graph can be like this. Not necessary here, vertex need not be here. That is this one. So, how many are there? 1. There exists a function that x of is equal to this. And there does not exist a function. So, this is wrong. There exists a function fs that x of is equal to 0. No need. No need means this. No need. So, the graph concave only, it is either increasing or decreasing. And here means definitely it should be like that. So, x is equal to y is equal to x means that will be satisfied here. Clear? Okay, x and it is given the points also, first order derivative. So, whenever you want to have fx is equal to x, take fx minus x as a function. Show that this is what they are concave. Concave means convex down. Concave. So, there are 3 options like this, 1 to 1. It can be like this also. Nothing wrong. Increasing or decreasing like this also. This also, this also. Therefore, the answers are there. A, B and C. There exists a function f which is in this S such that number of points is equal to what there? 0. Can be. Can be. We will move on to the next. Well, this is another question, that is tan inverse x belongs to, that is the principle, minimum value of the function defines. We want to find out the minimum value of this function f of x. Well, minimum value of the function. What is our f of x? Minimum value we should find out f dash x also. So, f dash x, let me apply this Leibniz rule. Substitute the upper limit in place of the variable, that is e raised to, look that, e raised to x tan inverse x minus cos of x tan inverse x substituted divided by 1 plus x tan inverse x the whole raised to 2023 x tan inverse x. So, we substitute x tan inverse x minus into derivative of the upper limit, that is x by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x. That is your f dash x. Your f dash x is equal to your f dash x e raised to x tan inverse x minus x cos of x cot inverse x divided by 1 plus x tan inverse x raised to 2023 into this. Well, e to the power, that is always what they are then positive. And your tan inverse x which is defined from where to where, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So, this will become 1 plus t raised to. So, this part is going to be a positive number always. Positive number always, correct? That is always a positive number. Then I can take this as, say, gx into hx. 1 plus x tan inverse x the whole raised to 2023 divided by this. So, this entire part is a positive function and this is x divided by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x, that is called hx. So, this is gx, this is hx. Now, we will work out whether this is a positive or not. That is what you have to identify. Exponential, that is, this is integral 0 to, what is the meaning of it? X tan inverse x is what there? Always bigger than 0. That's why integral 0 to x tan inverse x. That's the reason 1 plus x tan inverse x raised to 2023 is positive, because it's bigger than always 0. So, any positive number raised to 2023, that is positive. Exponential is positive, positive by positive is positive. Now, you have to check only what they are then h of x. What is h of x? H of x I have taken as x divided by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x. X divided by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x. You tell x is positive, this x plus 1 plus x by 1 plus x square is positive. Then x is positive 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 only, 0 to pi by 2, then that is also positive. So, we can write this is positive if x greater than 0. X greater than 0 in the sense means 0 less than x less than pi by 2. And when x is equal to 0, it is 0 if x is equal to 0, right? And when x is negative, tan inverse, or this is negative, tan inverse of negative also negative, so it will be negative if x is less than 0. What is negative x is less than 0? X belongs to minus pi by 2 less than x less than 0. So, what will be your f dash x? Your f dash x will be a positive number into positive. So, it will be what they are then positive if positive into positive. If 0 less than x less than pi by 2, it is 0 if x is equal to 0, and it is a negative number. I don't write the function, no need. So, negative if what they are then minus pi by 2 less than x less than 0. Understood? The sign will be decided by the second factor. Alright, this is always positive, as I told you, 0, 2. Good. Now you tell me, this function, the f dash x means 0. For f dash x is, that means f dash x is less than 0 if x is less than 0, curtailing at this point. F dash x is greater than 0 if x is greater than 0. You please plot the graph. What is the meaning of it? X greater than 0, x greater than 0, f dash x is, it means it's increasing, like increasing. X less than 0, f dash x is less than 0, means it's decreasing. So, the graph will be like this. Therefore, this point is called, x is equal to 0 is called point of local minimum. And what do you want? You want to find, what do you want to find out? You want to find out the, the minimum value of the function. This is integer part only, integer type question. So, the minimum value of the function, tell me, therefore, the minimum value of the function is equal to f0. The function is decreasing at the left of 0, increasing at the right of 0. It is changing from decreasing to increasing. The function is decreasing at the left of 0, increasing at the right of 0. So, it is changing from decreasing to increasing. There is a local minimum at 0, x equal to 0. What is f0? Tell me your f0. f0 I have taken already. This is your h of x. f0 is this. So, the f0 is equal to 0. This is called f0. That's the minimum value. So, 0 is the answer there. Okay. We will move on to the next. Well, this is y of x differential equation. This differential equation is also there. Okay. Similar question I have shown you. Shall I? Good. We do write the differential equation. Let me divide throughout by x square minus 5, dy by dx minus 2x divided by x square minus 5 into y equal to minus 2x into x square minus 5. Correct. dy by dx plus py is equal to q, you all know. So, linear differential equation, integrating factor we take. This is e to the power integral minus 2x divided by x square minus 5 dx. Correct? Ready? So, this is equal to what they are then? Minus e raised to logarithm of x square minus 5. No need of take f dash x by f x. No need of taking this modulus x square minus 5. So, it will become 1 by x square minus 5. I take 1 by x square. If it is needed, then we will take modulus if it is needed. Fine. So, what is the solution? Solution will be y into 1 by x square minus 5 equal to integral right hand side, that is minus 2x dx. Right hand side should be multiplied by 1 by x square minus 5, x square minus 5 cancel and we simplify. So, y divided by x square minus 5 equal to, this will become minus x square plus c. Or you can write this, your y is equal to minus x square into x square minus 5 plus c into x square minus 5, c into. Okay. What all things? Y of 2 is equal to 7. Y of 2 is equal to 7 means y is equal to 7 when x is equal to 2. That's the meaning of this part, this one. Okay. So, this implies 7 equal to minus 4 into, this will become 4 minus 1 plus c into minus 1. This is plus 4. So, c will be equal to, this is minus 4 into this, c is equal to minus 3. Is the c minus 3? C is equal to minus 3, correct. Now, your y will be equal to minus x square into x square minus 5 minus 3 into x square minus 5. Modulus I ignore. What do you want? Then the maximum value of the function y. Okay, fine. So, I write this y once again. This y is equal to minus x raised to 4, open the bracket, plus 5x square, okay, minus 3x square, plus 15, or minus x raised to 4 plus 2x square plus 15. What's dy by dx? Dy by dx is, you could have substituted there also, anyway, it is minus 4x cube plus 4x. D square y by dx square, that is equal to minus 12x plus 4 equal to 0 for both maxima and minima. Okay, remember, equal to 0 for both maxima and minima. That means 4x into minus x square plus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 0, x is equal to plus or minus 1. So, x is equal to 0, this will become positive, alright. X is equal to 1, this will be x equal to 1, it is negative. That means d square y by dx square is negative. That is maximum you want. Therefore, y of x has maximum at x is equal to 1. Clear? Therefore, maximum value is f of 1 or that is y of 1. You can substitute y of 1, that is equal to minus 1 plus 2 plus 15, that is equal to 16. Your answer 16. Okay. So, your 9th question, your answer is 16. Well, on to the next question, that is question number 10. Let x be the set of 5-digit numbers formed using 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 0. For example, 22240 is in x, whereas 02244, 02244 and 44422 are not in. It's absolutely right. What is that? This is a 4-digit number. No, we want 5-digit number, point number 1. So, this is okay. And 44422, there are only 2 4s, you cannot include any more digits. That's the point. That means you have to find the 5-digit numbers using these digits only. 3 2s, 1, 1, 2 4s and 0. That's very clearly, very clear specification. Suppose that each element of x has an equal chance of, fine, that's right. P be the conditional probability that an element is chosen at random is a multiple of 20 given that it is a multiple of 5. So, probability of multiple of 20 given that multiple of 5. That's the question. This is what the question. Agreed? That's what the question. Okay, good. We will first find the number of numbers which are divisible by 5. 5-digit number we want. Okay, come on. What do? We put into marks. 5-digit. 4 should be 0 because the digits are 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4. That's the group which we have. So the last digit should be 0 for divisibility by 5. Come on. Who can be there then? Can be 1. Then the rest can be all the 2. 1. Next will be what there? 1, 2, 1 by 1. 1. Then 2, 2, a 4. Then sorry. Then 1. Then 2, 4, 4. Correct? Then next is what there? Then 2, 2, 4, 4. Agreed? 2, 2, 2, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because the last digit everywhere will be what there? Then this only, 0. Last digit everywhere is 0. Here also 0, this also 0, this also 0, this also 0, this also. Because divisibility, this also, actually this 0 is there. Right? How many are there? 2, 5. Now you should arrange them. We will arrange. The first one, tell me the arrangement. The arrangement means there are 4 places. Out of the 4 places, 3 are alike of one kind and 1 is alike of the other kind. Isn't it? The number of arrangement will become 4 factorial by 3 factorial, that's equal to 4. Here also 4, remember 0 is fixed at the last digit. 0 cannot be moved. 5-digit, 0 cannot be moved. Last is 0, rest only. Now 1, 2, 2, 4 means 2 alike. So this one, second one. So that will become what there then? 4 factorial by 2 factorial. That's equal to what there then? 6. 1, 2, 2, 4. Now 3. 3 means exactly same. 4 factorial by 2 factorial, that is 6. 2 4s and this. This is 2, 2. I mean 4. 4 means there are 2 alike, 2 alike. That is 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. How? What is this? Actually, this is my calculation error. 4 factorial by 2 factorial is 24 by 2. That is 12. This is 12. This is also 12. This will be 6. 24 divided by 4, 6. Now the last, fifth one. Fifth one means there are 3 2's and that is 4 factorial by 3 factorial. That's equal to what there? 4. Now add up total. 24, 30, 38. That's your n. Given that it is a multiple of 5, that's our n. Now we want to find out probability. So probability of multiple of 20 given that multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 I have calculated. Now you should tell me how to calculate the multiple of what there then? This. Okay, let me reduce it. Okay. Now well good. Now we move on. Multiple of 20 means last digit should be 0. Last but 1 should not be 1. Last but 1. അതായത് 4th digit 1 ആവാൻ പറ്റുകയല്ല. അപ്പോൾ 10 it's not divisible by 2. So it should be an even number ending with this. Fine. ഈ 1ൽ നിന്ന് തന്നെ നമുക്ക് calculate ചെയ്യാം. I say 1, we write what there then? 2, 2, 2, 1, 0. Next will become 2, 2, 4, 1, 0. Next will become 2, 4, 4, 1, 0. Next, nothing is there. That is 2, 2, 4. That everyone when you arrange there. These are not divisible by 20. Divisible by 20 is asked. I calculate not divisible by 20. Here means it is divisible by 20. That means these two are fixed. Now this is to be arranged. That's our M probability. not divisible, not m bar, not divisible by 20 I calculate. So, whenever the last two digits are 1 and 0 respectively, it cannot be divisible by 20. Then tell me, how do we simplify this? This is arrangement, you tell me, that is in one way. This is what the 3 out of the 3, 2 are alike, that will become 3 factorial by 2, that's equal to 3. This is also same, out of the 2 are alike, 3 factorial by 2 factorial, that is 3, that is 7. 7 numbers are there which are not divisible by. Therefore, number of numbers divisible by what they are 20 is equal to total minus not divisible by 20, not divisible by 20. Total is 38 minus 7, that is 31. So, tell me the probability. Probability of multiple of 20 given that multiple of 5. So, that is equal to m by n, 31 divided by 38. Okay. Now, what's your question? This is called your P. Our question is 38P. Therefore, 38P is equal to 31. Your answer, that is 31. Clear? On to the next question. Let A1, A2, A3 so on A8 be the vertices of a regular octagon lie on a circle of radius 2. Fine. We will draw a circle of radius. Ready? Circle of radius. Okay. Let P be a point on the circle. Okay. PAI denote the distance between the points. Distance between the points P and AI. AI means okay, vertices of the octagon. If P varies over the circle, okay, means P moves on, then the maximum value of the product PA1. What do you understand by this question? Remember, this is a question from complex number. This is a question, that's the beauty of the question. This is a question from complex number. Let's see. Okay, we say here is a point, here is 1, so it is 3, 4 and 5, okay, 6 and 7, fine, 8. Well, there is a octagon. I say this is A1, this is our A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8. What are the vertices? You know, nth root of unity are the vertices of an n-sided regular polygon. Look at this, regular octagon. Regular octagon. But that is a unit circle. Now you extend it. Suppose if I just draw this unit circle, then this there will be an octagon here like this one. Oh, will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you transfer this to or shift it to this. That is it. This is called 1 omega, omega square, omega cube, etc. Well, therefore, that is this I remove. Then you tell me what will be these points. This will be 2 into 1. This will be 2 into omega, 2 into omega square, 2 into omega cube, because the length is equal to 2. This is 2 into omega raised to 4, 2 into omega raised to 5, 2 into omega raised to 6, 2 into omega raised to 7. Omega raised to 8 is again this. And what is a point? This is the point P. This is the point P. And you want PA1 into PA2 into PA3 into PA4 into PA5 into PA6 into PA7 into PA8. So PA7, PA8 this, right? Could you have any acquaintance with this figure? You figure കണ്ടുണ്ടോ? എടോ നമ്മുടെ ബ്രില്യൻറ്റിൻ്റെ എംബ്ലം അല്ലടോ, ഒരു എലിപ്സാന്ന് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ കേട്ടോ. സാറ എലിപ്സ് തന്നെ. ഓക്കെ, ഇത് ബ്രില്യൻറ്റിൻ്റെ പോയിന്റ്. ലുക്ക് അറ്റ് ദ റേസ്. ഇറ്റ്സ് എ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ദ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ PA1, PA2, PA3. ഒന്ന് ബുക്ക് എടുത്ത് നോക്കിക്കേ ബ്രില്യൻറ്റിൻ്റെ ആ എംബ്ലം. എലിപ്സാണ് അത്, ഇത് സർക്കിൾ. ദ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് only. That is how far you from brilliant, that's all. It should be as small as we want. Correct? So this is PA1 into PA2 into PA3 into PA4 into so on. That's the distance. What's the distance between two complex numbers? Modulus of Z1 minus Z2. That's the distance between the two complex numbers. I take P is Z, right? Therefore, these are Z raised to 8 minus 2 raised to 8. Actually, these roots. ഇങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചേ. Z raised to 8 man is Z minus 2 into Z minus 2 omega into Z minus 2 omega square into so on Z minus 2 omega raised to 7. Isn't it? The roots. Therefore, this is Z raised to 8 minus 2 raised to 8. And in regular octagon with one unit as that what the radius, circle radius, then it is 1 omega square. Radius is 2 omega square. Radius is 3 omega, etc. So therefore, these 8 roots are the roots of what they are then? 2 raised to 8. So you know the extension of this, everyone. That is 2 raised to 8, we write 2 into 2 raised to 8 into 1 raised to 8. That's the point. Okay. Now let me take modulus. Therefore, modulus of Z raised to 8 minus 2 raised to 8 is equal to modulus of Z minus 2. Modulus of the product is equal to product of their moduli. Into modulus of Z minus 2 omega, into modulus of Z minus 2 omega square, into so on modulus of Z minus 2 omega raised to 7. Okay. What is modulus of Z minus 2? It's the distance between Z and 2. What is Z minus 2 omega? It is the distance between P and A2. Oh, right. This is equal to PA1 into PA2 into PA3 into so on PA8. 7, don't worry, it is 2 onwards it started. What is the maximum value of the product? Fine. This is modulus of Z raised to 8 minus 2 raised to 8. You know, modulus of, let me reduce it. Okay, you can see. You know, modulus of Z1 plus Z2 will always be less than or equal to modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2. And here minimum, you know, modulus of Z1 minus modulus of Z2, that will less than or equal to, that will be in modulus. Fine. And we know modulus of Z raised to 8 minus 2 raised to 8 will always be less than or equal to modulus of Z raised to 8 plus modulus of minus 2 raised to 8, I say. Z plus minus. That is, this is less than or equal to modulus of Z. Modulus of Z is what? Modulus of Z is the distance from origin to this one. That is, modulus of Z is here 2. That is the radius of this one, where P can be anywhere, anywhere. So, modulus of Z means OP. Modulus of Z is really OP. OP is equal to what there? 2. Well, this is what there? 2 raised to 8 plus 2 raised to 8. That is 2 times 2 raised to 8, 2 raised to 9. So, what is this is equal to? Therefore, PA1 into PA2. Substitute for this. We know that. PA1 into PA2. Oh, PA2. In this on PA8 is less than or equal to 2 raised to 9. How much is 2 raised to 9? 512. So, this is always less than or equal to, then the maximum value of the product is 512. That's your answer, that is 512. Well, we will move on to the next question. Question number 12. R is equal to a matrix. A, B, C, D are selected from 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 non-zero and 0 is 1. Total 8. Okay. Then the number of invertible matrices are. Number of invertible matrices. Invertible matrices means what they are then? Determinant of R. I say R is this one. Determinant of M should not be equal to 0. I say this is M. Okay. M. Tell me, observe, what is determinant M? Last row has got 2 zeros, so 5 into, that is 5 into AD minus BC. AD minus BC, 5 into AD minus BC, or this determinant 5 into, what this is called ABCD, like, okay, AD minus BC. This should not be 0. For invertible means this should not be 0. When will this be 0? Come on, you tell me. When will this product be 0? Number 1. Number 1. All are 0. Correct? All are 0. All are 0 means A is 0, B is 0, C is 0. Okay? Then all are 0 in how many ways you have A, B, C, D? That is in one way. All are 0. Number 2. 3 zeros, 3 R. 3 R. 3 R means we are selecting A, B, C, D. Remember this. A, B, C, D. All of them are 0, then this value will be 0. A, this is the value. Remember that our value is this. All are 0, it will be 0. Okay. Now, you see, for the number of invertible, I am finding out number of singular. Then afterwards, total minus singular. That is called invertible. This is not invertible. So, determinant M equal to 0 if number 1. All are 0. Then 3 are 0. 3 are 0. 3 are 0 means there is 1 left out. That is to be non-zero. That is to be non-zero. How many non-zero? That means 1 into 7, that's equal to 7. Here it is 1. All are selected. Anyone can be a non-zero. Number 3. Number 3. What is number 3? 2 of them are 0. 2 of them are 0 means these 2 are 0. So, there should be a selection. That is 2 of them are 0. We have to calculate. ABCD is 1. This is okay. Any 3 0, that will be any 3. That's one more thing. Any 3 0. Which are the 3? There is a selection into 4C3. That is, this is 4C3 into 4C3. It can be ABC 0, D is not, or ACD 0, B not. So, that selection is also necessary. 4 into 7, that's 28. Correct? I said 3 of them are 0, 3 of them. Which 3? 4C3 ways. And then other one, any one of the non-zero. That's why this is 4C3. This is 4C3. 4C3. Then 2 or 0 means you have to, it should, you see, A, B is one selection. A is 0 and B is 0. 0 into anything minus 0 into, okay. Or A, C or D, B or D, C. Anyone from the first and anyone from, it is exactly 2C1 into 2C1 that I have written. Actually, this is 2C1 into 2C1. Any 2, this is 2 or 0. 2 or 0, you not any 2, 2 or 0. Out of the 2 or 0, the other 2 can be any one, that is 7 into 7. How come 7? The non-zero can be selected in how many ways? 7 into 7. So, it will become 4 into 7 into 7. 49 into, what they are then? So, 196. They are all determinant M0. Remember that. Okay. What is this 7? The third one. What is this 7? The fourth one. What is this 2C1? That is this right up. What are the 2? One from this first term and one from this one. Okay. With the 0, I have taken all. Now, what else? Now, fourth one. Fourth one. Fourth one means all of them can be equal, isn't it? All of them. So, that is all of them are same. If it is 2, all of them. 3, all are 3. 3 into 3 minus 3 into 3. So, all same. Same means don't take 0. See, with the 0, I have taken non-zero. I have already classified. All should be same means in how many ways you tell me? All should be 3 or all should be 5 or all should be 7. That is in 7 ways. Correct? All should be same. Next, number 5. What? 2 of them are alike. What are the 2 of them alike? One from the first, one from the second. Okay? 2 of them are alike. Which 2 we take what they are then? So, 2 are alike. 2 are alike means the other 2 should be the same. Suppose this is 2 and 3, this should be 2 and 3. Because all the digits are different. Cannot be 2, 2, 3, 3. No, that's not possible. It should be selected from 3, 5, 7, etc. Remember that. So, it is 2 and 3. It should also be 2 and 3. A can be 2. Okay. So, I have selected 7C2. 2 numbers I have selected. Right. That can be distributed. Now, it is 2 and 3. 3 and 2. Oh, this AD can be 2 alike. So, what is the selection? 7C2 first. Out of the 7, I have selected 2. Say it is 2 and 3. A is 2, B is 3. A, B, AD, I say. A, AD, first one. 2, 3. Can be 3, 2. Oh, the first one can be interchanged in 2 ways. And second one is what they are, BC. It is also 2, 3 and 3, 1. So, it is again 2. So, 7C2 into 2 into 2. What is 7C2? 7 into 6 by 2, that is 21 into 4. That's equal to 84. Got it? There are 5 cases which I told you where this determinant M will be equal to 0. Well, that's fine. Then you can easily tell me this any other case? You just think over it, please. Please think over it. Any other? No. Therefore, M is non-singular. M is non-singular if M is non-singular, if what there? What is that M? M is non-singular if, rather than if, in. N is non-singular in, or there total minus singular ways. What is total? Total means all this can be, or how many numbers are? 4 numbers. Total will be A can be any one of the 8, B can be any one of the 8, C can be. So, 8 into 8 into 8, 8 raised to 4 minus singular means please add 1 plus 28 plus 196, then 7, don't forget 7, then plus 84. So, you have 8 raised to 8 minus of 8 raised to 8 minus of, you have 1 plus 28, okay, plus 196, correct, plus 7 plus 84, correct. So, you get this answer with 3780, that you please calculate 3780. But anyway, this is what the answer, 8 raised to 8 minus this. So, the number of ways will be that 3780, correct. Understood? That is a permutation combination. Well, on to the next question. Let C1 be the circle of radius 1 with center at the origin. Okay, fine. C2 be the circle of radius R with the center at the point A41. R is greater than 1, less than 3. Two distinct common tangents PQ and ST of this. Fine. We will draw the figure. Okay. First means we will draw, okay, this is your x-axis, okay, radius 1, then another circle. Radius is slightly bigger than this, don't worry. Then we take tangents. Okay, this is one tangent. There is another tangent also. Okay, this is another tangent we take, fine. Okay, this is C1, we take this as C1, this is C2, then we do radius is this x-axis there, then radius is 1. This is the center. What's the center of the next circle? That is A is 4, 1, remember. R is all right, fine. PQ. PQ and ST are there. Two distinct common tangents, PQ and ST of C1 and C2. PQ, I say that this is PQ, PQ, ST, ST. All right, tangents. The tangent at Q, okay, C1, right. Oh, C1 at P, all right, C2 at Q, okay. Right, okay, fine. And ST touches C1 at S, correct. The midpoints of the line segment, okay. PQ and ST, this is the midpoint. PQ and ST, that's midpoint. Who are the midpoints? The tangents ST. Midpoints are joined the line as, okay. That is, I say M and N. That is the deciding factor. Midpoints of PQ and ST. PQ and ST are common tangents, therefore, distance from M to Q is equal to distance from M to P. That is called the radical axis, remember. Locus of the point from which the length of the tangents are equal. Midpoint they have given indirectly. So, this tangent, all right, midpoint. Oh yes, this MN is the radical axis. Mn is the radical axis, and join the line which meets the x-axis. X-axis I have already done. This is called B. This point is called what there then? B. X-axis meeting point. Such that AB is equal to root 5. Good. Simple. So, point number 1, C1, standard circle x square plus y square minus 1, x square plus y square equal to 1, I write minus 1 equal to 0. Now, C2, it's a circle having center at what there then? Center at 4, 1. So, it is x minus 4 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square equal to r square. Radius we do not know, but there is a range given over. Okay, fine. Now, we have to find out the radical axis, x square plus y square. What is the radical axis? Circle number 1 minus circle number 2. That's all. Minus 8x minus 2y. Then this will become 16 plus 1 plus 17 minus r square equal to 0. The next one is x square plus y square minus 1 equal to 0. Subtract. These two cancel. So, when we subtract minus 8x minus 2y, then plus 18 minus r square equal to 0. 17. 18 minus r square equal to 0. Okay. Well, now what do you want? We want B. B means B is a point on the x-axis. So, for B, put y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means 8x is equal to 18 minus r square. X is equal to 18 minus r square. Okay. Therefore, your B will be equal to 18 minus r square, 0. Your B will be 18 minus r square by 8, sorry. This point, 8x is this is by 8. This is also by 8. So, your B is 18 minus r square. Well, everything. Now, what next is given? So, it is given that your AB is equal to what there then? Root 5, or AB square equal to 5. What is AB square? Tell me. A is the point 4, 1. Well, tell 4 minus 18 minus r square by 8 the whole square plus 1 minus 0 the whole square equal to 5. Come on. So, this is outside 32 minus 18 plus r square by 8 the whole square equal to 4. I think you can calculate now, no need of, so this 13 minus 18 is what there then? 13 minus 18, that is 14. 14 plus r square equal to 32. R square is equal to what there then? 18. R square is equal to 18. Okay. On solving, r square you are getting. Is it correct? It is 4 minus 18 minus r square by 8 the whole square plus 1 minus 0 the whole square is equal to 5. AB is equal to 5, root 5 given. Fine. So, this is 5 transferred to that side, that is 4. 4 means, there is a whole square also, whole square. I did not take that whole square, that is correct. So, square. That is, it will become 32 minus 18 plus r square whole divided by 8, the whole square equal to this. Afterwards, we have committed mistake. Fine. Alright. So, this implies, again there is a square, there is a square which is unnoticed. There is a square which is unnoticed, keep in mind, this is square, this square. Okay. That means, this 32 minus the 14 plus r square, the whole square equal to 64 into 4, 8 square into. Well, therefore, 14 plus r square equal to 8 into 2. That means, r square is equal to 16 minus 14, that is equal to 2. Well, that is it. Now, what do you want? on r square we are getting, what do we want to find out? Then the value of r square, fine, r square is equal to 2, your r square is equal to 2. Calculations, please note it. We'll move on to the next question. That's a paragraph question. Consider an obtuse angled triangle. Okay, fine. So I don't read it. You read, understand, and this. This is properties of triangle. Anyway, we solve. Do we have a triangle of that sort? No. Anyway, well, obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle, okay, fine. The largest and smallest angle differ by pi by 2. Largest, I said that A, I take it as A, B, C. This is the largest. So that is, this is smallest, I take C. That means A minus C equal to pi by 2, or okay, C equal, no, A equal to pi by 2 plus C. Okay, this is pi by 2 plus C, correct? Then what will be B? B will be A plus B plus C equal to pi, you know. A is pi by 2 plus C, okay, plus B. B means what there, then B only. B say plus C equal to pi. That means B is equal to pi by 2 minus 2C. Pi by 2 minus 2C. So this B is equal to pi by 2 minus 2C. Correct. Now we are A also in terms of C, this is. Now what do we have? The A, B, C, B done. So the sides are in arithmetic progression. Sides are in arithmetic. I said that A comma B comma C are in AP. Therefore you have 2B is equal to A plus C. Now what is sign rule? Sign rule is this: A divided by sin A is equal to B divided by sin B is equal to C divided by sin C. It's equal to 2R. Now look, on the circumradius triangle inscribed, suppose the vertices of the triangle, that is circumradius is 1. That means your capital R is equal to 1. Therefore, A divided by sin of A, sin of pi by 2 plus C, equal to B divided by sin of B, that is sin of pi by 2 minus 2C, is equal to C divided by sin C, equal to 2. Okay. Your A is equal, what is sin pi by 2 plus C? That is 2 cos C. Your B is equal to what? Sin pi by 2 minus 2 cos 2C. Sin pi by 2 minus 2C. And what's your C? 2 sin C. Correct? Substitute over here. Substituting. 2B, that is 4 cos 2C. 2B. Alright, equal to A. A means 2 cos C plus C, 2 sin C. That means 2 cos of 2C equal to cos C plus sin C. Correct? Now we square. What do we do? How do we? Whenever you have cos A plus sin A, square it. So it will become 4 cos square, squaring. 4 cos square 2C is equal to cos square C plus sin square C plus 2 cos C. It means 1 plus sin 2C. Squaring. Remember, squaring. Cos square C plus sin square C plus 2 cos C. 2 sin A cos A, sin 2A. Well, what is this? This is 4 into 1 minus sin square 2C equal to 1 plus sin 2C. Clear? So it will become 4 minus 4 sin square 2C equal to 1 plus sin 2C. Take it to that side. 4 sin square 2C plus sin 2C minus 3 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, sin square 2C. And you know, A minus B plus C is equal to 0. Therefore, your sin 2C equal to minus 1 or sin 2C is equal to what there? 3 by 4. Agreed. That means sin 2c is equal to minus 1 or sin 2c is equal to what there? 3 by 4. This is inadmissible because obtuse angle triangle, this is sin 2c minus negative out. So, sin 2c is equal to 3 by 4 we have. Okay, everything we can calculate. Now, what do you want? Let A be the area of the triangle. Now, tell me what's the area of the triangle? Here A, area of the triangle. What's area of the triangle? Tell me. The area of the triangle is, here let me write, area is equal to half BC sin A, isn't it? Half BC sin A is area, half base into altitude, that means half BC sin A. That means half into, let me take what there then, this point, this is C, therefore I take this is A, this is B. So, this is half BC sin, half BC sin A or whatever you like. I take this one. A and B and sin C, half AB sin C, half AB sin C. What's our A? That is equal to half into, A means 2 cos C, into B means 2 cos 2C, okay, into sin C, into sin C. This is A, right? This is our B, remember, it's already sin C. So, this and this cancel. So, you are having 2 sin C cos C, 2 sin C cos C into cos 2C, correct? That is sin 2C into cos 2C. Sin 2C you know, that is 3 by 4. Cos 2C is root of 1 minus sin square 2C. That is equal to 3 by 4 into root over 1 minus 9 by 16. That is equal to 7 by 16. That is 3 by 4 into root 7 divided by 4. So, your area is 3 root 7 divided by 16. Your area is A, that is your A. Now, what's your question? Your question is 64A square. Therefore, 64A square equal to 64 into, tell me what is your A square? 9 into 7 divided by 16 into 16. Alright, 3 by 4 into root 7 by 4. The answer we are getting, that is, okay. Alright. So, that is 64 times 64 A, oh no, it is 64A the whole square, that is a question, remember that, 64A the whole square, 64A the whole square, well, 64A the whole square, correct. A is what there, 3 root 7 divided by 16 the whole square. There it is, bracket the whole square. Well, 16 and this, that is 4, 12 root 7 the whole square. Your answer 144 into 7. Please calculate. 1008 is your answer. 1008. Okay. We'll move on to the next question. The same paragraph there. Then the in radius of the circle, that you can calculate, in radius r is equal to delta divided by s. Delta divided by s you can calculate. Delta you have already calculated. Perimeter you can calculate. Perimeter, how do we calculate the perimeter? A plus b plus c. See, your perimeter s is equal to, let me write. S is equal to, they are all a plus b plus c divided by what they are then? 2. Where b is equal to, a plus c is equal to what there? 2b. So, 2b plus b divided by 2, that is 3b by 2. Okay. What is our b? 2 cos 2c, that is 3 into b, okay. Oh, sorry, b, well, your b is equal to 2 cos 2c, 2 cos 2c divided by 2, that is this. Therefore, 3 into cos 2c, That is 3 into root over 1 minus sine square 2c. I have calculated delta also, you know. Delta means, what was delta we calculated from the previous one? It was 3 root 7 by 16. So, it is 3 root 7 divided by 16 divided by s. S means you calculate from here and then you substitute that. Your sine 2c we have calculated. What is sine 2c? Sine 2c is 3 by 4. Sine 2c is 3 by 4. So, it is 3 into root over 1 minus 9 by 16 and this is 3 into root over 7 by 16, that is 3 root 7 divided by 4. 3 root 7 by 4. So, it is equal to 3 root 7 divided by 16 by 3 root 7 divided by 4. 3 root 7 cancel. It will become what there then? 4 divided by 16, that is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is 0.25. Your answer. And that you can calculate your answer, that is 0.25. Correct. We will move on to the next question. Okay. Read it. ഇത് എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ? വിടോ? അയ്യോ, എന്നാൽ ഞാൻ പെട്ടെന്ന് തീർക്കട്ടെ. അല്ല, ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചാൽ ഈ ഒരു ബോക്സ് എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോന്ന്. All right. So, this is 6 by 6 square figure there then. Well, this is 6 into 2 questions. Okay, fine. Right. This will be 6 by 6. I'll just draw it. You read this one there. We say that they are friends if they have adjacent rows and all. Please read the question. Please read the question. I'll just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. How many lines are there? There are 6 horizontal lines and 6 vertical lines. This is the point. These are the points which you know. You read the question. Well, these are the points. Now, a point is said to have friends means it should have adjacent. Number 1, what do you want? Pi, the probability that a randomly chosen point I has friends 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right. Then P of xi is Pi. Then the expectation, 7 times expectation you want. All right. Now, we will find out total number of points. You see, n is what there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 points only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This part is not there. Okay. Okay, all right. So, what I do means this is curtailed, this is not there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only here. Become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this part is not there. Keep in mind. These are all. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points. Therefore, your n will be equal to, total number of points will be equal to what there then? 49. You have 49 points there. Well, this is 49. Total means 49. 7 into 7. 7, 7, 7 into 7. That is 49 points. Now, we say, all right. X is equal to 0. They have taken I such that their I is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. X equal to 0 means no front. That is our M we calculate. No front means what? Then any point you take, there is a front. There is an adjacent point. That is all. That is M is equal to 0. Ready? And X is equal to 1. One front. There is no point which is having one front. If we take this point, it has got two fronts. That is this front and this front, adjacent. If you take this, this has got all four. Okay. That is M is equal to, they are also 0. Now, X is equal to two fronts. Two fronts means where? This point. That is this point. Let me change the color there. This point. Two fronts. Yellow. That is this one. 2, 3, 4. So, there are 4, isn't it? Now, 4 is there. So, having two fronts. Now, you see, similarly here also, how many fronts for this fellow? No, this is 1. No, two fronts means what there then? This is another one. I say two fronts. Two fronts, I take red color, two fronts. This fellow has got 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 two fronts. That means this front number 1, front number 2 like. So, there are 4 corner points. M is equal to 2. Now, M is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. That what is M? 3 fronts. These yellows are 3 fronts. Left, right, bottom. That's why left, right, bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5. Okay. And here also what there then? 5. You have 5. Okay. You have 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have how many fronts? 3 fronts. And here means 5. You have 3 fronts. And look, here also you have. So, 5 on top side, 5 on bottom side, 5 on left side, 5 on right side. This one. This should be yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, it will become 5 into 4. That is equal to 20. Now, you have X is equal to 4 fronts. The 4 fronts are here. They are the 4. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, 5 into 5, that will be what there? 25. M is equal to 5 into 5. Otherwise also you can calculate. Here means you have 20, X equal to 2. How many are there? X equal to 2 fronts means there are 4. It's not 2. Actually, this is not 2. That is 4. 4. The 4 corners there then. So, total 20 plus 4, 24. 20 total is 49. 49 minus 24, that is equal to 25. That way also you can count this. Ready? Now, immediately expectation. You remember the expectation? There is a table. What is a table? That is X and X, F, P of X. P of X. What are these X? Tell me. X means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Little bit more. 3, 4. Till 4 friends. Okay. Then your probability, tell me. This is 0. This is also 0. X equal to 2 probability become 4 by 49. And X equal to 3 means 20 divided by 49. X equal to 4 means 25 divided by 49. What's the formula for expectation? Expectation of X is equal to sigma X into P of X. Arithmetic mean. Okay. Sigma X into. So, X into P of X. You should calculate, that's all 0, 0. So, it will become 8 by 49. Okay. So, it will become 60 by 49. And this will become what there? 100 by 49. What will be the total? Therefore, sigma X into P of X, that's called what there? Expectation of X. That's equal to 168. 168 divided by 49. You want what there then? 7 of what there then? EX. Therefore, 7 times expectation of X is equal to 168 divided by 7. 68 divided by 7, why? 49 cancel. So, it is 2, 14, 24. 24 is your answer. So, the answer is 24. On to the next question finally. That is the same question. Question is this. Two distinct points are chosen randomly out of this. Let P be the probability that they are friends, then the value of 7P. Alright. Two distinct points are selected means your N will be equal to 49C2. Your N will be equal to what there then? 49C2. Clear? Now they have, let P be the probability that they have friends. They have friends. Total. Correct? 49C2. You tell me, how do we find out their total friends there then? Number of ways of selecting that is, actually that figure let me take. 2 adjacent. If I take they have friends only. They have friends means the adjacent, I should take 2 of them should be adjacent. If I take this point number 1 and point number 2, they have friends. Now, how many selection of that? Total is 7 minus 2 plus 1. Correct? Total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 points. 2 adjacent means 7 minus 2 plus 1. That is 7 minus 2 plus 1 is what there then? 6. 6 one. Ready? How many such lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, total will be, total, that is in the other page. So, that is 6 point selection are there, 2 consecutive. How many lines? 7. So, that M is going to be, 6 into 7. How come 6 into 7? 1 line, second line, third line, 7. Okay. Similarly, vertical also, that is into 2. So, that is the answer here. M is equal to 2 adjacent points. Adjacent points from the line. From each line. Okay, that line means we say the adjacent points from that 7 will be 7 minus 2 plus 1 into how many lines are there? There will be 7 lines and the entire thing should be multiplied by 2 because what they are then? Vertical, horizontal. So, it will become 6 into 7 into 2. So, what will be the probability? This is 42. 84. 84 divided by 49C2, please calculate. 84 divided by 49 into 48 divided by 2. Divided by 2 means this is into 2, 2 and 2, this is 24. You have 84 divided by 49 into 24. Okay, and your 7P you want, that means this is your P. Calculate, you can easily calculate 7P. 7P will become 7 into 84 divided by 49 into 24. 7 and this 7, then 12 there, then 12 divided by 24 you get, that's equal to 1 by 2, that is 0.2, and that takes us through with this paper number 2. Okay, this is advanced paper 2, that is 1 by 2, 0.5. 1 by 2 means 0.5. Okay, thank you.